Is your hair dry, brittle, and breaking off? You're not alone, but you don't have to live with damaged hair. Whether it's from bleach, heat, or just life, our hair can take a beating, and it can really mess with your confidence. But what if I told you the secret to reviving your hair is already in your kitchen? Today, I'm sharing the best natural remedies to drench your strands in moisture, rebuild strength, and bring back that shine. We're talking simple, chemical-free, and easy DIY treatments you can whip up at home. Ready to transform your hair? Grab your notepad and let's get started. Let's go. First up, the legend, coconut oil. This humble jar has been a beauty staple for generations, cherished in countless cultures for its incredible versatility and nourishing power. If you're looking for a natural, time-tested way to bring life back to your hair, coconut oil is where it all begins. Coconut oil's lauric acid is the secret weapon here. Its unique structure allows it to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, going far beyond the surface. This means it helps prevent protein loss, strengthens your hair from within, and even protects against damage caused by styling or environmental stress. Use it as a pre-poo or an overnight mask. Just warm a generous amount in your hands until it melts. Then work it through dry hair, section by section. Pay extra attention to the ends, where dryness and split ends love to show up. Once your hair is coated, clip it up and cover with a plastic cap. This simple step traps the heat from your scalp, helping the oil soak in even deeper. For an extra boost, wrap a warm towel around your head to create a mini spa treatment at home. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. But if you really want to wake up to next-level softness, leave it on overnight. The longer you let it work, the more moisture your hair will soak up. When you rinse it out, you'll instantly notice the difference. Softer, shinier, and more resilient hair that's easier to manage. Over time, you'll see less breakage, fewer split ends, and a healthy shine that's hard to miss. Coconut oil is the ultimate reset for dry, tired hair. It's like giving your hair a fresh start, restoring hydration and bounce. Don't sleep on it. This classic remedy has stood the test of time for a reason. It's affordable, accessible, and works wonders for all hair types. If you're just starting your hair revival journey, coconut oil is the perfect place to begin. It's simple, effective, and you'll see results fast. Trust me, your hair will thank you, and you might just fall in love with your hair all over again. Next, let's talk honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into your hair. Honey hydrates from the inside out, fighting frizz and leaving hair smooth and shiny. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties for a healthy scalp. Mix 1/4 cup raw honey with a splash of water and a tablespoon of olive or coconut oil. Apply to damp, clean hair in sections, from roots to ends. Pop on a shower cap and let it sit for 20–30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. No sticky residue. Your hair will be soft, hydrated, and frizz-free. You might not even need conditioner after. Honey is the secret to natural sheen and smoothness. Try it for instant results. Sweet, simple, and effective. Olive oil isn't just for salads or drizzling over your favorite dishes. It's a powerhouse sealant for hair, cherished for generations in beauty routines around the world. Rich in emollient fatty acids and antioxidants, olive oil locks in moisture, smooths the cuticle, and helps tame frizz for incredible shine and manageability. After a hydrating treatment or deep conditioner, use olive oil to seal in all that goodness, preventing dryness and breakage. For a luxurious hot oil treatment, gently warm about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil in a water bath, never in the microwave, to preserve its nutrients. Apply the warm oil to dry hair, massaging it into your scalp and working it through to the ends. This not only nourishes your hair, but also stimulates blood flow for a healthier scalp. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and wrap a warm towel around your head. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, allowing the oil to deeply penetrate and condition each strand. Shampoo and condition as usual. Sometimes you may need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil, especially if your hair is fine or prone to buildup. The result? Your hair will feel softer, look shinier, and be better protected from split ends and environmental stressors. Olive oil is especially great for high porosity hair that loses moisture quickly, but it can benefit all hair types, from straight to coily. It's a simple, affordable way to boost shine, strength, and overall hair health, right from your kitchen. Don't underestimate this kitchen staple. Sometimes, the best beauty secrets are hiding in plain sight. Give your hair a spa day at home with olive oil. You'll see and feel the difference after just one treatment. If your hair is feeling extra parched and brittle, it's time to bring in avocado, the ultimate creamy hydrator that nature has to offer. This simple fruit is a powerhouse for dry, thirsty hair, and can help revive even the dullest locks. Avocado is loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, B vitamins, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients work together to deeply moisturize, repair, and protect your hair from further dryness and breakage. Start by mashing one ripe avocado until it's completely smooth and creamy. Using a blender will give you the silkiest texture, making it easier to apply and ensuring every strand gets coated. Next, add a tablespoon each of honey and either olive or coconut oil. Honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your hair, while the oils provide extra nourishment and shine. Apply this rich mask to clean, damp hair, making sure to focus on the ends, which are usually the driest and most damaged parts. Massage gently to help the nutrients penetrate. Clip your hair up, cover it with a shower cap, and let the mask sit for 30 to 45 minutes. This gives the ingredients plenty of time to work their magic and deeply condition your hair. Rinse thoroughly with cool water to help seal the cuticle and lock in all that moisture. You'll notice your hair feels instantly softer and more manageable. After just one use, your hair will feel softer, shinier, and more elastic, with a healthy bounce and glow that's hard to miss. This mask is especially perfect for hair that's been chemically treated, colored, or damaged by heat styling tools. It helps repair, restore, and protect from future damage. With regular use, it restores flexibility and strength, making your hair less prone to breakage and split ends. Remember, avocado isn't just for toast. It's your hair's new best friend, ready to deliver deep hydration and shine whenever you need it. Try this creamy avocado mask for a true hair transformation, and let your locks soak up all the goodness for a healthier, more radiant look. Damaged hair needs protein, and eggs deliver. Whisk 1 to 2 eggs, add a tablespoon of olive oil for moisture. Apply to damp hair from root to tip. Let sit for 20 minutes, don't let it dry or harden. Rinse with cool water, never hot or you'll cook the egg. Follow with a moisturizing conditioner. This treatment patches up weak spots and reinforces your hair's structure. Use only if your hair feels mushy, weak, or breaks easily. Once or twice a month is enough. Eggs provide both strength and moisture. Instantly stronger, more resilient hair. Don't overdo it. Balance is key. For protein-sensitive hair, try yogurt instead. Your hair will thank you for the boost. Yogurt is a gentle protein and moisture treatment in one. Its lactic acid cleanses the scalp, while casein and whey proteins strengthen hair and restore elasticity. Use plain, full-fat yogurt, no flavors or additives. Mix 1 to 2 cup yogurt with 1 to 2 tablespoons honey for extra hydration. Apply to damp hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Massage a little into your scalp for a healthy microbiome. Cover with a shower cap and let sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, then shampoo and condition as usual. Your hair will be bouncy, shiny, and stronger. Yogurt is perfect for regular maintenance and gentle repair. Aloe vera is a miracle for dry, irritated scalps and thirsty hair. Its gel is 99% water, packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Scoop fresh gel from an aloe leaf, blend until smooth. Use as a pre-poo. Apply to dry hair and scalp. Let sit 30 minutes, then shampoo. Or, use as a leave-in spray with a little water and oil for daily hydration. Aloe soothes itchiness, reduces dandruff, and boosts shine. It penetrates the hair shaft, locking in moisture without heaviness. Lightweight, natural, and refreshing. Your scalp and hair will feel instantly revived. Aloe vera is the ultimate hydrator, don't skip it. Bananas are a secret weapon for weak, dull hair. Rich in silica and potassium, they strengthen, thicken, and add shine. Blend 1 very ripe banana with a tablespoon of olive or coconut oil until completely smooth. Apply to damp hair from roots to ends. Cover with a shower cap and let sit for 20-30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, no chunks. Bananas restore elasticity and softness, perfect for fine or breakage-prone hair. You'll notice more bounce and shine after just one treatment. Simple, effective, and deliciously natural. Go bananas for healthy hair. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is the ultimate pH balancer for hair. It smooths the cuticle, boosts shine, and makes detangling a breeze. ACV also clarifies, removes buildup, and soothes the scalp. Always dilute. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons raw ACV in 1 cup cool water. After shampoo and conditioner, pour or spray the mixture over your hair. Massage into scalp, let sit 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse lightly with cool water. The vinegar smell disappears as your hair dries. You'll be left with shiny, tangle-free, balanced hair. Use once a week for best results. ACV is a game changer for dull, frizzy, or product-heavy hair. Reset your hair's health with this simple rinse. Your scalp and strands will love it. And that's it, my top 9 all-natural kitchen-based hair treatments. Moisture and gentle protein are the keys to repairing damaged hair. With these simple remedies, you can transform dry, brittle strands into strong, shiny locks. Be patient and consistent. Your hair will thank you. If you're passionate about natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And remember, if you have ongoing scalp issues or major hair loss, consult a professional. Here's to stronger, shinier hair, naturally.